students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's video, we are going to see MCQs based on Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. So let's begin students. The first question is, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act was enacted in, and the options are A. 1955, option number B 1960, option number C 1965 and option number D 1970. So students, right answer of this question is option number B, that is 1960. Next question is, the main objective of Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act is are, and the options are A. to prevent the unnecessary pain on animals, option number B. to promote animal welfare, option number C. to control and supervision of experiments on animals, and option number D. all of the above. So students, right answer of this question is option number D, that is all of the above. Moving to the next one. The next question is, under the Act, treating animals cruelly means, and the options are A. subjecting any animals to unnecessary pain, option number B. usage of any unfit animal for work or labor, option number C. torturing any animals unnecessarily, and option number D. all of the above. So students, as per the definition of cruelty to animal, any act which includes subjecting any animal to unnecessary pain or suffering, or treating or usage of any unfit animal for work or labor, or willfully and unreasonably administering any injurious drug or substance to any domestic or captive animal, or keeping or confining any animal in any cage of insufficient size, not permitting it reasonable movement, or failure to produce any animal with sufficient food, drink or shelter by its owner, or unnecessarily torturing any animals, or killing any animals in a cruel manner, etc., are all termed as treating animals cruelly. Therefore, the right answer of this question is option number D, that is all of the above. Moving to the next one. The next question is, CPCSEA stands for, and the options are A. Committee for the Process of Control and Supervision of Experiments on Animals, option number B. Committee to set procedures for control and supervise of experiments on animals, option number C. Committee for the purpose of control and supervision of experiments on animal, and option number D. Committee to prevent and control suffering of animals during experiment. So students, right answer of this question is option number C, that is Committee for the Purpose of Control and Supervision of Experiments on Animals. Moving to the next one. The next question is, Institutional Animal Ethics Committee, that is IAEC, shall include dash members, and the options are A. 7, B. 8, C. 9 and D. 10. So students, right answer of this question is option number B, that is 8 members. Moving to the next question. The question is, operations to improve lactation or secretion of milk is, and the options are A. POCA, option number B. Doomdev, option number C. Milchdev, or option number D. both A and B, that is POCA and Doomdev. So correct answer of this question is option number D, that is both A and B. Moving to the next one. The question is, performing the operations like Pokha or Doomdev or any other operation to improve lactation is punishable with, and the options are A, fine up to rupees 100 or imprisonment up to 6 months or with both. Option number B, fine up to rupees 500 or imprisonment up to 1 year or with both. Option number C, fine up to rupees 1000 or imprisonment up to 1 year or with both. Or option number D, that is fine up to rupees 1000 or imprisonment up to 2 years or with both. So students, right answer of this question is yes, option number D, that is fine up to rupees 1000 or imprisonment up to 2 years or with both. Now moving to question number 8. Question number 8 is, penalty for treating animals cruelly is, and the options are A, fine not less than rupees 10 which may extend to rupees 50 on first conviction. Option number B, fine not less than rupees 25 which may extend to rupees 50 on first conviction. Option number C, fine not less than rupees 30 which may extend to rupees 50 on first conviction. And option number D, that is fine not less than rupees 25 which may extend to rupees 100 on first conviction. Students, right answer of this question is option number A, that is fine not less than rupees 10 which may extend to rupees 50 on first conviction. However, in case subsequent conviction is committed within 3 years, it is punishable with fine not less than rupees 25 which may extend to rupees 100. Moving to question number 9. Question number 9 is, any animal which is tamed is. The options are A, captive animal. Option number B, wild animal. Option number C, domestic animal. Or option number D, none of the above. So students, right answer of this question is option number yes, C, that is domestic animal. According to definition of domestic animal, means any animal which is tamed or which has been or is been sufficiently tamed to serve some purpose for use of man, or which although it neither has been nor is been nor is intended to be tamed, is or has become in fact wholly or partly tamed. So this is the definition of domestic animal. Moving to the next and the last MCQ. The question is, which amongst the following is not included in IAEC? IAEC, which means Institutional Animals Ethics Committee. And the options are A, a biological scientist. Option number B, a nominee of CPC SEA. Option number C, a reporter from a reputed press. And option number D, that is a veterinarian involved in care of animals. So students, the correct answer of this question is yes, option number C, that is a reputed or a reporter from a reputed press is not included in IAEC. So IAEC consists of 8 members, amongst which it includes a biological scientist, then 2 scientists from different biological disciplines, a veterinarian who is involved in care of animals, then a scientist in charge of animal facility of the establishment concerned, a scientist from outside the institute, a non-scientific socially aware member, and a nominee of CPC SEA. Therefore, the option number C, that is a reporter, is not included in IAEC. So thank you students for watching this video till end. Thank you.